Today I am showing you the Printable Elf Kit. This is super handy if you do Elf on the Shelf for your little ones. I made a visual calendar for you because if you're like me, I just like to visually see what I'm going to be doing. So it's a calendar and you follow along all month long, and it just makes it super simple instead of having to think of what to do. And all of the scenes include very common household items, so it's very easy to use. You also have a regular elf calendar that just explains what you're going to be doing each day, so you could either use this calendar or the visual. You don't have to use both. So the elf on the first day is going to bring a special letter from the North Pole. It's like a welcome letter, and if it's your first time introducing the elf, you can also give them the elf adoption letter and they can name their elf. So that makes it official for them. It's really adorable. Each daily setup pairs with a message from the elf. So just cut these up, put them in order, and have those ready to go for each night after you put your kids to bed. You set up your little elf scene, you follow the calendar with the instructions, and include a little message from the elf. And then they'll wake up in the morning and have this magical elf scene. And there's also a few bonus messages. You can switch some of them out if you want to do something else. The elf twister is for day 15. On the second day, the elf brings your child a letter to write to Santa, and it comes with this really cute printable envelope, and you just tape it together or glue it like that. There's an optional good behavior letter. If your kid's being good, you can have the elf bring them a letter, or a warning bad behavior letter. And on Christmas Eve, the elf says goodbye and needs to go back to the North Pole to help Santa. I've included a bunch of bonus Christmas games for your kids. You can leave them out on any day and you can say they're from the elf, or you can just give them to your kids. It's not included with the Christmas elf calendar, so these are just really a bonus. There are so many amazing elf kits out there, and they're very expensive, over $100, usually close to $200. So I wanted to make something super simple, super inexpensive for someone who just wants a guide for their elf and to make cute little scenes with stuff that they already have around the house. And again, it's very easy. It's for busy parents. I'm a parent myself, and I'm definitely going to be using this for Christmas, and I'm very excited. Thank you so much for watching.